Hello again and welcome to Grassroot Food Lab. Today I'm going to share with you my version of Tarta de Santiago that is without eggs in order to get the original taste in a vegetarian way. For the original recipe, please follow the suggested link.
For this eggless almond cake, I've taken 250 grams of blanched almonds. I'll crush and roast it later. 300 grams of homemade condensed milk. You can check the description box to see how to make it. 20 grams of butter. Some orange zest, some lemon zest and cinnamon powder. I have crushed such cinnamon rolls to get this powder. First, grind the almonds and roast until it turns golden. Then melt the butter. I've taken regular salted butter. Now prepare the cake tin and preheat your oven. I'm using gas stove, so I have preheated a heavy bottom pan with salt. Put the almond flour into the butter. Add all the dry ingredients and mix well. Pour the condensed milk and give it a mix. As you can see, it's absolutely simple and easy to make. Actually, a hassle-free healthy cake. Now add some orange juice as it gives a nice sweet fragrance. Finally, pour the batter into the cake tin and then set it well. I'm using a 20 centimeter cake tin, so I'll get a flat, thin cake. You can use a smaller cake tin as well. I'm baking without an oven. If you too want to bake using gas stove, then preheat a heavy bottom pan with salt or sand and put the cake mold over a stand and bake for about 50 minutes. Now you can skip this step of this design and simply dust with icing sugar. So it's golden from inside, which means it's delicious. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to support my efforts, do like, share and subscribe.